Hey, welcome to my channel Industry 4.0. The Internet of Things, IoT, has the dormant to make over the transport industry by deeply changing how transportation systems collect data and information. Today, in this video, we will discuss the IoT developments in transportation and its benefits in detail. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's start the video. Introduction. The Internet of Things in transportation has become very composite over the last many years. They're embedded using computers and expensive technology, which helps not only in driving but in maintenance too. Currently, cars transfer vibrant data over the air back to the dealership, allowing them to know when things need repair or updating. Nowadays, certain cars get over-the-air computer updates wirelessly. Consequently, the proprietor no longer needs to schedule an appointment with the dealer for maintenance. The Internet of Things, IoT, has the dormant to make over the transport industry by deeply changing how transportation systems collect data and information. IoT brings up the networking of physical objects over the use of embedded sensors, actuators, and other devices that may gather and transmit information about real-time action in the network. The data collected from these devices may then be analyzed by transportation experts to develop the traveler experience, upturn safety, decrease crowding and energy use, advance operational performance. Description. Internets of Things sensors are suitable for a dynamic part of the transportation trucking industry, permitting for the capability of platooning, where trucks drive in a combine. It's destined to upsurge the capacity of roads through an automated highway system. It reduces the distance between cars or trucks by electronics. IoT networks and devices are likewise helping with monitoring cargo temperatures, direction, and speed to enhance fuel efficiency. This not only assistances the trucking industry but similarly helps the consumer and retail businesses, where packages are brought in a timelier manner and with cheap cost. By a vehicle-to-network ability, traffic flow will not only turn out to be harmless but as well become well-organized. By way of the number of IoT sensors and cameras rising along our highways and roads to gather traffic information, this data would help in easing traffic burdens and predicting mobbing points before they appear. A number of automobile manufacturers are previously teaming with partners to make IoT platforms to the cloud to support in linking their cars to the IoT network. IoT developments in transportation. IoT solutions promise to brand transportation organizations smarter and more fruitful at what they prepare. The IoT is at the essential of forces redesigning transportation to provide better safety, further able travel, enhanced vehicle and aircraft maintenance, and new strategic traffic management. Illustrations of transportation IoT comprise extra effective, less expensive mass transit that services networks of sensors, ordinal cameras, and communication systems to upsurge system volume and improve passenger safety and ease while dropping costs and risks. Active roadside message symbols for intelligent transportation systems. These signs show real-time road status, toll rates, lane ends, and travel times routinely relayed from sensors and cameras. Independent vehicles, through the ability to sense their environment, forecast conduct, connect with other vehicles and their environments, and respond promptly to real-life highway situations. Video scrutiny solutions, which feature high-resolution closed-circuit TV cameras to safe airports and rail stations, with repeated monitoring of passport control barriers and movement of people in crowds. Intelligent video examination software powers early discovery of doubtful behavior and out-of-control luggage. The Internet of Things in transportation. Benefits of IoT for transport. A number of broader benefits that relate to the use of IoT technology surrounded by the transportation sector contain: improve customer experience. IoT technologies support delivering customers by way of more precise, informed, real-time data to well-planned trips and advanced communication. Better safety. The capability to track things, for example train speeds, aircraft part conditions, roadway temperatures, and the number of vehicles at a connection using IoT-enabled technology may all help to recover the safety of our transit systems globally. Operational show. Transport agencies accepting IoT technologies are now starting to see welfares in terms of operational enactment. Cities may well monitor critical setups and develop well-organized processes to reduce operating costs and increase system capacity. Environmental developments. By well monitoring crowding, IoT-enabled systems may respond rapidly to developing traffic patterns and arrival real-time data to benefit people to plan their trips superior. Dropping mobbing and energy usage have an optimistic influence on the environment. Applications of IoT technology in transportation. The most common applications of the Internet of Things in transportation are: traffic administration. Roading is by far the biggest section inside transportation when it originates to the acceptance of IoT technologies. This is predictable to produce as we head in the direction of 2023. In the interior cities, data may be gathered from CCTV feeds which convey vehicle-related data to traffic management centers. Applications using IoT technology comprise: smart parking, traffic lights, smart accident assistance, toll and ticketing. Straight toll systems are becoming quickly invalid. By the upsurge in vehicles on the roads, lines at toll booths have become a public sight, not to reference the manpower desired to operate toll booths on busy highways. Even as automated tolls, with an RFID tag, have better quality movement of traffic, additional developments have been made possible by the use of IoT technology. Numerous of today's contemporary vehicles are prepared with IoT connectivity. A vehicle may be noticed up to a kilometer not here from a tolling station, properly known, and the fence lifted for the vehicle to pass through. On the other hand, for older vehicles, a listed smartphone could serve a similar drive, captivating automatic payment from the digital wallet connected to the phone. Linked cars. Cars nowadays trust connectivity, and the main part of that is several new cars are now prepared with internet connectivity, sensors, and actuators. They all are monitoring an extensive range of applications from brakes and engines to the control of tire pressure and exhaust gas conformation. Someday, connected cars would use the in-vehicle networks, radar, and cameras to support a sense and connect by one other, stop collisions and aid endorse smooth traffic flow. Vehicle tracking systems. Vehicle tracking systems are characteristically used inside the freight section to help companies manage their fleets successfully. They likewise help to monitor driver behavior and may bring together data that notifies on idling time and driving style. Illustrations of IoT-powered functionality comprise: journey preparation, convoy tracking, driving times and driver rest break programming, warnings for speeding, strict cornering, speeding up or braking, checking of vehicle load, distance moved and fuel consumption. Public transport organization. One main part in which NEC has been operating is smart transportation, with a focus on the public transport section. IoT technologies are now in extensive use in this section. Our solutions are as well as combine ticketing and automated fare collection, passenger information, and their information display systems, and advanced vehicle logistics solutions. These are all utilizing IoT technology to assist resolve social and economic issues, for example traffic crowding in public transport. IoT technology for linked public transport systems delivers the following welfares. Actual vehicle tracking. This supports public transport agencies will communicate with customers and offer precise arrival times over together mobile devices, and passenger information shows at transit stops and stations. Data examination and actual management. The technology permits transit agencies to observe progress in real time and make changes for surprising incidents, for example accidents, roadworks, emergencies, etc., facilitating to reroute and make trips extra efficient. Modified travel information. Transportation agencies may track and display traveler conduct and travel designs and bring initial information direct to their smartphone on important changes, for example postponements, station endings, or rerouting.